Alright, so the first thing you do to deleting that little fuel plastic thing is get your tank out. Get your tank out. You're going to need a 15 mil deep well socket, preferably one of these, and then a wrench of some vice grips to grab the top bolt, so it's a lot easier to take off. And then yeah, take that out. You got a hose clamp for the fuel thing, and then this, they give you enough wire to get down here, so you're not having to wrestle with it. I almost did have to take off my muffler to get to it, but I managed to find a way to do it. So basically, it's what I've done here is I've kind of gotten rid of this thing right here, and you can go to Home Depot and you can get some fittings to join these two hoses together. So if you want to change this hose but not this one, because this is a pain in the ass because you gotta drop the whole tank to get to it, just give yourself enough hose when you put the tank, when you have it down and put it on, so you can pull it down enough to get the fuel line, to change the fuel line thing on the front. So to get it off, you need to yourself some WD-40, and then you hit all these around here, but just try to avoid getting WD-40 or petroleum products on this, because plastic does not like petroleum. And then you take a screwdriver, pop that off, you get this off, and then, so basically what I have done, I've already clear the tank out and all that fun stuff, is I've taken a piece of hose, and I've taken one of these little joiner things at the bottom that I have in my collection. This is 5/16 hose, and it will mate to this. Some hoses are different, but if it's new enough, it'll have enough flex in it and you can get it on there. I am going to use some hose clamps to put that on. For this, I haven't heard of people doing this, but I just thought of this because I don't have the little foot thing, and basically didn't want to deal with that thing anymore, because there were all kinds of things on them where the valves would come out and you have to drop the tank a second time, and I was like, I want to try to do something different. So I got some biodiesel fuel line, a whole roll of 25 foot for like $1 a foot on eBay, cheap. And then yeah, it's just, if you're gonna do this much, go buy it on eBay. Don't spend twice the amount of money at AutoZone or something, because if you're gonna buy a whole roll of this stuff, it'd probably be about 40 bucks. And then I also got a 25 foot roll of the 3/8 fuel line, just because it's, yeah, same price, but yeah. So yeah, if you're gonna buy fuel line, buy it online. You get in bulk, it's a lot cheaper. So I'm gonna pull this out and I'm gonna get a yeah, basically I think if you get it long enough, I think that piece was 2.5, maybe, yeah, 2.5 inches. This is about 2.5 inches. This one was about 1 inch. So yeah, about 2 to 2.5 inches. Now again, because it's this, it can sit on the floor of the tank and not it can be touching like this, whereas if it was like just the one line, you could restrict your flow. And so yeah, just something I thought of over here. So